To change text color in Canva, I'll go into the Instagram post template here to select a demo to work with. I'm going to select this design and click on customize design. From here, you want to click on the text which you want to change the color. Say we want to change this text color. You can see that this editing toolbar has come up. You'll see here where it says text color. We're going to click on it and you will see the color of the text, which is this one. If you want to change it into something else, you can just click on the color you want to change it to, and you have the options to even change into a gradient color. If there's a certain color you're looking for, I'm just going to drop mine as an image. Now I have my image I want to select color from. I'm going to go back into the text because I want to change the color and click on text color again. Come to this plus sign and you see some gradients. I'll go back into the solid colors and click on the eyedropper tool and come here to select a particular color. I sort of like this green, you see that, and I'm going to click on this image and take it out. You see we have a different and beautiful color we got from another image.